everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this sunflower inspired makeup look. I love sunflower makeup looks. This is what I consider a sunflower makeup look, and I'm using the ColourPop New Moon palette. Absolutely love this color story. I really hope that this fall they release an Eclipse palette. I'm a huge Twilight fan, no matter my age. I'm almost 40. I don't care. I love Twilight. I also thought it would be fun to do some looks with these Twilight inspired makeup palettes because Twilight, the book series, turned 20 this year. So let's get started. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Last eyeshadow primer, and I used the She Glam Insta Ready loose powder used under the eye to catch fallout. Of course, we're using the ColourPop New Moon eyeshadow palette, and I love the shade names. I love the color story. I love the palette art. It fits the whole vibe. This shade is called Senior Year, and it's like one of those mustardy golden yellow shades. Absolutely stunning. The performance of these eyeshadows is outstanding, as always with ColourPop. Super pigmented, easy to build, easy to blend. They are not patchy. They grab onto your eyeshadow base. They are gorgeous. I love ColourPop. Put that in the crease. So the next shade I'm going to pick up is Your Everything. I just love the names of these palettes. The whole vibe of these palettes. If you love Twilight, you probably love it too. I'm taking that rich chocolatey brown shade. I'm placing that beautiful shade in my outer corner, and I am going to press this in, building it up in the outer corner up against the orbital bone. And this is going to mesh pretty easily with the crease shade. They blend really nicely together. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with the shade Mood Control, which is this beautiful light yellowy golden white shade, and it's shimmery. I'm going to wet that with the She Glam Picnic setting spray. I'm using a small eyeshadow brush to do so, so I'm just going to use a combination of dragging that, placing it on the lid, and like pressing it on the lid. So kind of like painting and then pressing on the lid, and then once I have it applied wet, I'll go over with one layer of the dry eyeshadow on top of that to kind of like set it in. Now here you're going to see me blending the outer corner shade with the lid shade and the crease shade in with the lid shade as well. So just blending all of those together, and then I'm taking the LA Colors Glam palette, and this is one of their color block palettes, and I'm taking that beautiful vanilla shade for my highlight. I'm taking this shade on an angled fluffy brush and tapping off the excess, and I'm going to place that under the brow and then blend it down into the crease shade. And this should blend really easy. It's really going to tone down the crease, so what I'm going to do after applying that is I'm going to wipe away the fallout, and then I'm going to go back in with some more of the yellow shade I used in the crease and blend the brow bone highlight with the crease color and kind of brighten that back up because it dulled it down a bit. And LA Colors Strobing Illuminating Powder and Gleaming Goddess for the inner corner. These are absolutely stunning highlighters if you've not tried them. I believe Family Dollar still has them, possibly lacolors.com. Absolutely stunning. So I'm placing that in the inner corner, and it's going to bring a lot of light, and it complements the lid shade. But it's not overpowering like the lid shade. On the lower lash line, we're going to take half of in the yellow shade and half in the dark brown, and then AOA Studio Lash Adhesive and Ardell Wispy Lashes. And I'm going to place the wispy lashes. These lashes, I am in love with them. They're so pretty. LA Colors Gel Eyeliner in Midnight Black to tightline with. And this eyeliner I did get from Temu, and it came in like an 18 pack or something. It is just a goldeny yellow eyeliner. You can make this eyeliner on your own. A white pencil in your waterline and then tap over the yellow shade on top of that. But that is an option if you don't have a yellow eyeliner. Now I'm using the AOA Studio Duo Flex Mascara to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. And here's the finished eyes. and I love how it came out. For lips, this is the Velvet Matte lipstick from SheGlam, and it is just a nude shade. It's so pretty. I love this one. And a small side note, I thought my nail polish matched perfectly with this look. I'm using the KB Shimmer nail polish and Bumbling around, and it's this shifty yellow shimmery nail polish, and it shifts from yellow to green and orange. Absolutely stunning. And I done carnival nail art stamping on top because this past weekend was the World Chicken Festival here in my area, so we went to that and we had lots of fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and will maybe try the look out for yourselves. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more looks using this palette. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list.